September 4th, 2025. It is a cold morning this morning. I had to break down and put the heater out in the shed here because it was 48 degrees in here this morning. At least get the dampness out of here. It is another dark, windy, cold day. I'm going to attempt to take a quick walk before the rain comes this afternoon, but I don't know. I am freezing. I slept in my heated blanket all night long. Just on low, but it was enough to keep me warm because I'm cold. I can't warm up. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but here we are. But yeah, so it's looking to be a chilly one today. I think it's supposed to get really cold tonight. The leaves are changing fast out there. Just all of a sudden now they started changing. I hope we don't get an early winter, but I have a feeling that we're going to have an early winter this year. Probably by Halloween. If it's already this cold. But then they say it's supposed to be back up in the 60s and 70s next week. So I said that's a good fall day for me. 60s, 70. I'm like, that's a good fall day for me. But this is too cold. I don't know. At this point, I'm just letting all my plants die. I don't even care. If the frost gets them, the frost gets them. I mean, I'll cover the garden, but the rest of the stuff will just have to go. My plants look so luscious back here, though, on the deck. It's sad that I'm going to have to let them go, but I mean, I'll keep them out there as long as I can. But yeah, this rain is crazy. I mean, it's definitely a stormy one. Kind of see out the window there. Not too much here, but up there. Just another dark day. I came out here to check on the place just to make sure. So I guess while I have some time to talk, I'm doing those changes now to the vlogs. So I'm thinking, so we're going to start a fresh week come, I go back to work on Monday, so there's going to be some changes. The vlogs ain't going to be very interesting during the week. So I mean, there'll be like multiple days at a time. Some days there might be 3 days in one vlog, but what my plan is to do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, upload Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, upload Friday, Saturday and Sunday, or do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, upload Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, upload Friday, Saturday and Sunday, upload Sunday. Something like that, I don't know. I guess we'll just see what happens. Because I'm confusing myself. We'll just see what happens when that point comes. I mean, I'll do the best I can to, get us up and running on a new schedule. Obviously, the weekends are going to be more interesting than the weekdays because I literally go to work. Well, I might have some time to vlog in the morning because I go in at 7:30. My shift is 7:30 to 2. So I may have some time in the morning. you know, as I'm getting ready for the day to vlog, and then on my way to work, and then on my way home from work, I can always vlog, maybe, depending how I feel. I know September 10th we have a staff meeting, an all staff meeting at the Ishraming High School cafeteria. So I'm kind of interested to see what that's going to be about. I don't know. I'll be meeting his boss twice, because she wants to meet everybody that day. Because Monday it's just going to be me and her, I'm assuming. So, and then she'll be up here, I guess, for a couple days after that. So that'll be nice. I mean, it'll be nice to meet. Well, I'll meet her already, but for everybody else to meet her, she's new in the company. But I think Calvin's getting the boot. Rumor has it he's getting the boot. So I don't know. I don't know if it's because of his actions. I don't know if it's because of budget and staffing issues. I have not a clue. Nor do I care. I don't like him at all, so it don't bother me any. But I think I'm gonna go in, get some breakfast, drink some coffee. Well, I'll come back out here, but I got the heater going. It's already 52 in here, from 48 to 52, so it's heating up nicely. I just have it on low. I have it set at 66. I probably won't run it all day. I just wanted to see if it worked still. And it does, luckily. Luckily, the old heater still works. This Phil gave it a good kick last year and destroyed the back of it, and with his little temper tantrum he always had when he was packing up this place to leave. He just didn't carry through things, hit things, threw things, kicked things. He just didn't care. I'm so glad that wreck is out of my life. Amen, hallelujah. He was not very good at all. I might make vegetable barley soup. Beef, oh no, I have spaghetti. Tomorrow we're thinking of a Subway night. I might just go to Subway and get dinner, and then come back and get ready for the game. If it's too windy tomorrow, we won't use that fire pit. We'll just use the solo stove up on the porch here. But I don't know. We've been through worse, so I really want a big fire to stay warm. That's the thing. Last week I fell asleep by the fire because I was so cold. I was so warm in my blanket out there that I fell asleep. But yeah, this weather is something else. The trees are really changing now, fast. Oh, I mean, I love it, but I think they're gonna change too fast, and there ain't gonna be no there won't be no fall colors this year. Oh well, it is what it is. I can't change it. I can't do nothing about it. So it's just gonna be as it is. So I'm gonna go in, do that, and then I will check in with you all later. Hi all, welcome to the vlog. So it is currently afternoon now. It's starting to get dark. They said that we were supposed to get rain this afternoon, and I think it's coming. Because, yeah, it's getting really, really dark, so. Oh well. The shed's comfortable. It's 63 in here. It's nice having the, heat on in here. It took the dampness out of the room. This shed holds heat pretty well. But yeah, it's getting dark. Let me turn off the auto brightness. So that's what it really looks like right now. Oh yeah, here comes the rain. Wow, that came in super quick. The lake effect clouds. It just came in like a line. Oh dear. Yeah, we're getting all kinds of weather. The whole kit caboodle. Oh well. My stomach is kind of upset today and I don't know why. I think I don't know. Next week's going to be a busy week with going back to work. And then Wednesday we have a staff meeting at 3:30 in the afternoon, which sucks. Because then I'm going to have to think of an easy meal for that day because I'll be a little late coming home. I probably ain't going to get home till about 4. Well, I work till 2. I come home. I'll come home, get dressed, whatever. And then go down there and do my thing. It's all the way in East Moving, which is stupid. I don't know why we couldn't have it here in Negaunee, but yeah, it got really windy and rainy. Oh well. They did say it was gonna rain today. I took the AC out of the upstairs window in the spare guest room now just to get it out of there. So that's out. I don't know, by the way this weather is gonna be looking, I might have to have my friend Derek come here and help me put the outdoor stuff away. Cause I think we're gonna have bad wintry weather by the end of the month if it keeps up like this. Who knows? But yeah, I'm digging the shed. I kind of like it this way. Kind of. I liked it how it was before, but I think it's bigger in here now. Because that was such a wasted corner over there. I don't know. It's good enough. I'm not overthinking it. I already was in here moving stuff around, and I'm like, It's fine. It's good. It's how it's going to be. Just let it be. I don't do well with change. That's the problem. Like, I was used to how I had this shed because that's just how it was. And now it's different, so I'm all bothered by it. It's like, Adam, just stop. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah. Yeah, all of a sudden it got really dark and it started pouring, and now it's lightening up again. And then it's going to get dark, pour again. Tonight we're supposed to get really bad rain, I guess. So I guess we'll see what happens with that. But the leaves are changing. I think winter is coming so quicker than we think. Unfortunately. I think winter's coming quicker than we plan. This floor is really bad in here. But the heater is all set up now in here for winter. I don't necessarily have to keep it on or plugged in, but I just want to get that dampness out of here, you know? It's that damn garbage can that's getting me. And I can't fit it anywhere other than right there. I wish this counter was a little shorter. I mean, I like having the long counter, but at the same time, it does take up a lot of space. Oh well. They're supposed to come today and do the framing for the window. I'm still contemplating on taking those stupid cabinets down and mounting the TV to the wall. I don't know. We'll see. I'm starting to overanalyze everything now, and that's not good. But I can deal with it. It'd be nice to get it mounted to the wall. But I ain't gonna fuss where it doesn't need to be fussed with. And then where would I put the cabinets? Well, they could fit over here. I could definitely put them on this wall in the corner here. I mean, all Phil did was screw them to the wall. I mean, it's not nothing that can't be moved. You know. That may be a thing. Be kind of nice to have the TV mounted to the wall. I mean, it's not a very heavy, big TV, so it wouldn't need, like, horribly mounted, but... This shit has come a long way since it was first built. It'll be 2 years old this October. Oh well. But yeah, so that's kind of the update today. I put a bunch of stuff on Marketplace. I did this, I did that. It'll be nice. Excuse me. Get rid of the rest of that shit. You know, I was just gonna go for a walk. And I'm like, ooh, it's getting dark. But I might be able to sneak one in again before it rains. It's lake effect rain and lake effect storms we had the other night. Lake effect rain is when it rains on and off all day long. Oh, I hear thunder, I think. Well, it's construction, I don't know. So I have 4 days here now to just kind of chill. I have to get ready for Monday or Tuesday. Monday, yeah, I go back Monday. It's gonna be quite the day. But I got it. I'll be good. It's not like I don't know what I'm doing. I remember everything I did. I mean, I did every job and I did every position that was available. I started from the bottom to the middle to the top, and I got pushed all the way, tried to get pushed all the way down to the bottom, and now I'm in the middle. But I'll tell you one thing, I ain't going out of my way anymore. I'm done with that. Nope. I will not go out of my way anymore. I don't appreciate how I've been treated, and I'm not gonna bend over backwards anymore. So I'll do my job and help Asunta, and that's it. But yeah, so I will check in with y'all later. Hi y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So it's 2 o'clock right now in the afternoon. I'm just going for a walk here because it's looking like it's gonna storm again this evening, so I want to get a walk in, Ellie. My legs are killing me. This probably don't help it, but I want to keep exercising so they don't get to the point where I can't use them, because that's what they feel like. It is the worst feeling ever, and it sucks because I don't know why it's this way. Like, I don't know why I'm struggling. But it is what it is. Next week is gonna be a busy week. I go back to work on Monday, and then Tuesday is a quiet day, so is Monday. And then Wednesday, I work, and I have a staff meeting at 3:30 in Ishraming at the high school. I'm like, really? Why that hour? Look at what they did again back here, making a mess. But yeah, so Thursday will be a quiet day. And then Friday is the game. Like I said, I'll be doing a lot of relaxing now because I'm gonna be exhausted by the time the day is over. And there's nothing that can be done about it because it's just my health. That's why I have a doctor's appointment on the 19th. And I'm hoping and praying that it's an 8 o'clock appointment. So I have to leave here after 7 in the morning. And I don't know how long it's going to be. I don't know what they're going to do test-wise. But yeah. So I'm going to log off here now. And I'll catch up with you on the way back. Hi y'all, it is Friday, September 5th, 2025. I'm starting the vlog a little bit late today. It was just a crazy day today. So right now I'm sitting by the fire in our little hut. In the little hut here. Trying to stay out of the rain and wind. It's cold out here. But we got it. So yeah, I'm nice and cozy here in my blankets, my like 5,000 blankets. Ooh, no wonder why I'm cold. There's a breeze coming through there. So yeah, we're listening to some Negaunee Miners football. I am, like I do every Friday night.
Complete source for window and doors. Schedule an appointment now with one of their window and door experts. Visit them at windowoutfitters.com.
This should be fun.
And Lacoste and Associates, if you're looking for a firm that'll focus on your individual needs and always treat you like a client that matters.
It's a windy one. It's windy and rainy.
You deserve Lacoste and Associates.
But that's okay. I got it. And nice and warm. So I'm gonna listen to the rest of the game and enjoy the fire.
It's gonna look like they dominated this game because Negaunee's second touchdown came on a 80-yard punt return by Evan Delangelo, his second special teams score in as many games. But it doesn't matter how many yards you have if you can't put it in. And Gladstone's been inside the 15 3 times, and their offense has come away with.
Great fill by Negaunee to start the game.
Just the look again for Gladstone. They got a wing back on the left, and it's going to be a hand up the middle. That's not going anywhere, but he's churning his feet. He's going to turn it into a little bit of a game there. Maybe 1 yard. Yeah, not going anywhere. Tough look there for Giroux. And it's going to be second down and 9 for the Braves at the Negaunee. The 8 on the first. Come on, right tight formation. That's 2 tight ends. And the receiver out wide on formation. Walking, takes a snap, turns to the right in the middle of the field. Watches to the outside. Is that 22 again? No, that looks like 12. Man, there's something about those. No, it's not 12. Oh, it's 10. That's going to be Vinny Redholtz making the tackle, and man, Sweeney might still be running if he didn't trip him up there.
He did a good job. I think that